It's that time again, Michael's Grab Boxes. So this is from July of 2026, and I have no idea what is in here whatsoever. This box is the heaviest of them all, and let's just see what's inside. So $10, they box everything up from the season that hasn't sold, and here is what is inside. The number one item, let's see if it's worth it, is $24.99 Canadian, and it's a little colander, and this for me is absolutely worth it. I kind of spied this in the box hoping that this is what that was. I could literally use one of these. I don't know why they're selling kitchen items. It's cute, matches my kitchen, and is something I actually need a better one of. So I'm ecstatic to have that one that has a base with the holes in the bottom. This will be a really nice addition to my kitchen. That is a keep. Oh, what is this? Oh, interesting. Okay. A wooden box. The price tag on this is $30, and it's just like a wooden shell with an empty inside. A cute little decor piece. It does have a little chip out of the top there. Is it anything that I would buy? No. Is it cute? Definitely. Yeah, I'm not sure where that will land, but something interesting. This is beautiful. It is a melamine dish with a value of $21.99 Canadian, and just a cute blue and white serving tray. I know this is going to match something that is inside the box that I saw previously in one of these other boxes, so not a bad value. So 3 things, all over $20 from the start. There seems to be some random leaves and flowers. We got our little rose, $12.99. These are $14.99 for this one, and this is $5.99. So just some nice little decorative pieces. This is handy for my filming and such when I am looking to decorate up a space, so I could use that. I'm not sure what kind of decor piece this is. Also very interesting. Tabletop decor, pink jungle rose, 1 piece, $25. Again, an interesting item. Not mad about it. I'm not sure what I'll do with it. Oh no, this would have been useful. Oh wow, wow, oh wow. A tableware set for a graduate. I had 2 graduating students this year from college and university for 2026. This would have been perfect for that. It is an entire tableware set for $100. Wow, what does it come with? Okay, so it has the plates, small and large, and then a glass, some cutlery, and some napkins. Interesting. I could use the napkins for the 2026 doing some scrapbooks, or you could just use the napkins like for another occasion. These graduating caps, my son graduated from university, but he is going back for a 2nd degree, so in 2 more years this set might come in handy. If not, we'll have a high school graduating class to celebrate in a year or 2 after that. Again, a 2026 graduate ribbon I can use to decorate, ooh, yes, something for a scrapbook page. I love this cute little bowl. It is a value of $21.99, and that is just a nice pink with gold stripe. Matches perfectly with my pink themed scrapbook room. A tablecloth. What size do we have here? Here's the sizing here. You wanted to see? That would be good if I don't cover it up. 52 inches by 70, a pink tablecloth, spring. Oh, actually it's green as well. Okay, this will be useful. It's made out of polyester. You want to see? Yeah, it's just your typical kind of like a indoor-outdoor sort of tablecloth with that felt sort of material on the back. A value of $14.99. I will get use out of that. So far, so good. And then this, a 5x7 frame card that you could use. I'm sure I can find a good use for this with my paper crafting background. We will not have to make it specifically for a graduate. There's 4 of these. Anyways, I'm not sure how it works exactly, but we'll figure this out. Definitely we'll be able to do something with this. It's not specific to being for graduate, it's just a plain black frame, so that's okay. A big graduation theme happening here, and then I don't know what the purpose of this is. Oh, I thought it was wood all around, but it is like a silicone edge. The cute little spatula. I'm not sure what it's made out of, but I think it's silicone. It's got a strange stiff feel to it. Feels like almost like there's wood under here and then silicone over top, because it feels too stiff to just be silicone on its own. So that's that. So that's box number 1. Definitely well over $10 worth of stuff in there. Gotta be careful with this. Ooh, oh, this one was a really heavy box, so I picked it. A lot of rattling around. Ooh. Oh, wow. A 3-tiered bowl set. Ooh, 3 different colors, yellow, orange, and blue. A value here of $50. And yeah, I'm not mad about that. Just looking to see, there's some marks on here. Just looking to see if they'll sort of wash off or if there's scratches. Interesting for like outdoor or salad bowls. That's pretty decent. What's with all the kitchenware, Michaels? Oh, hey, look. Oh, that's good. Another ribbon. Congrats, grad. A little bit different than the last one. Again, for a good scrapbook. A matching bowl. So now I have a pair. This is perfect. I guess it's maybe meant to be an ice bucket, but this could be a little gift basket holder. $34.99. So that's nice. It's got a pink hue to it. Oh, another one of these. Interesting. So now I've got a pair of those, which could make for a nice tablescape, especially knowing something else that's coming up. We've got, again, class of 2026. Ooh, butterflies. Again, I don't have to use that for a project, but I can use the butterflies on a project. That's fun. $10 value. Another card frame. This is good. Actually, this is very good. I have a picture that can go in here perfectly, actually. And it says 2026, and it goes as a magnet on a fridge. Got some more leaves. $14.99, $5.99. Just 2 of those. Nice little filler. And then this giant thing, this giant basket. So that's nice. For $49.99, that's this wicker basket here. And oh, this is what was so heavy in the box. Hey, this is very nice, actually. I was wondering why this box was so heavy. $30. Pink Jungle Rose marble tray. Okay, I like this a lot. That is great. So that's beautiful. We also have a collapsible ribbon box. That's great. Good for gifting, especially at Christmas time. I'm not sure what this is for. But that's box number 2. So we're just flying through here. Not a lot of items, which I don't mind, but a lot of high value items, which is good. So $10 each plus tax. So far, I'd say definitely getting my money's worth. And a lot of useful things, a lot of kitchen things or outdoor patio things. I resisted looking at the store in the box as to what was inside. This one I could see because it was dented in. I could kind of peek inside this. This is the one I'm thinking of. It was one thing I liked. Yeah. So I picked this box because I could see this in it alone. And this is beautiful. It's a very beautiful yellow basket. And it's, oh, Citrus Kitchen, $40. And that is beautiful. I really love this kind of sturdy basket. And it's got a nice bottom. It's in great shape. Definitely worth the value there. And let's see what else came. Oh yeah, this is the thing I was telling you about matches the other dishes that I got. So this beautiful platter here would make a nice serving set or gift with the other platters that were in Malamine. You could even take this to a party and bring whatever you were having and then just leave it behind. Say, keep the tray because we've got, we've got that lovely useful tray. Okay, this is a pack of gift bags. Grad 4-piece, $12.99. This would have come in handy for me again with the graduate stuff. You could actually put all of this together and create a little graduation gift basket. This is a decorative balloon with a value of doesn't really say what the value of that is, but again, more graduation stuff. I was saying you could put it together as a little presentation. Oh, $21.99. Did I say that? So you can put it together if you wanted to sell it on Marketplace come graduation time next year, and you can put it along with this. So you have everything for the makings of a great graduation party. This is an entire balloon garland, 63-piece at $30. Like I said, we're going to have more graduation, another one of these, more graduations to celebrate. Oh, a hat with numbers inside. 2 more of these. Seems to be the theme to get 2 of those in every basket, every box. Another party supply for the graduation party. Got one of these trays for serving, $24.99. A graduation ribbon, not labeled for 2026. And then another one of these great gift boxes. That's another good one. So they did have markings on the boxes that said t-shirt, jewel, and I had wondered if there were jewelry related things or t-shirt related things. They were not associated with the box. So, what do we have in here? Oh my. This was making a little bit of a mess in my car. Also very, wow. Oh. Okay. Okay. 2 little plastic lemon themed cups at a value of $14.99 each. I don't know why you would buy that. But anyway, interesting. What is this? A candle. Is there only one? For a candle, taper candle holder for $40. I hope there's another one in here. This giant leaf. This sunflower. These leaves. Oh yeah, and this messy thing I don't even want to take out because it's going to shed everywhere. I'm just going to leave that in the box. Okay, by far this is the least impressive box for sure. I've got 2 of these gift boxes again, one in black and one in red, which is nice at a value of $25 each. Not bad. This is cool. A pink wild tray. That's nice for $25. I like that. Those 3 are the best things in this box for me. And then what's tucked away and hiding in the bottom here? Oh, a gift box. Oh. So, yep, definitely not impressed with this box. It's got a lot of graduation things. I might be able to make use of them. A lot of ribbons again. These 2026 earrings, I actually don't mind this at all because I make scrapbooks and I make dangles off the side. I could take these acrylic 2026s and make them part of a dangle for an album, like when I do my December daily. So that will get used. Same thing with this, like it's just a plain 2026. So could make use of the number potentially. This could be another one of these gift bags. This is interesting. So what are these? Oh, it's a gift box. Oh, you put ribbons in, or flowers inside. This could be like a New Year's Eve maybe, if you're saying goodbye to 2026 or a Christmas 2026. It's a gift box that you would fill with flowers. Maybe save it until 2062. I don't know. It's yeah, it's still 2026. I'm not sure if there's a use for it, but basically, well, I'm not going to open it all up. It's a $40 value. It looks like you just put flowers in because these are not metal like I thought they'd be. They're just paper. So yeah, not impressed with that box, especially since it's got a leaking thing in it. I don't know how I got this box in. Oh, because it was so heavy. Maybe this stupid thing. Just a single one. Anyway, so those are my grab boxes. $40. Is it worth it? A couple of bowls, baskets, boxes, flowers, decor, tableware. Probably worth the $40. I bet you I could put together an entire graduation pack with all of this stuff that I have here, and like just sell it maybe on Marketplace and get some of my money back. Like someone would pay, they might even pay $40 for all this sort of stuff. Not for 2026, but for graduation. Okay. That's that. Let me know in the comments down below. What do you think? This is in Northern Ontario, Canada, where I got these grab boxes. Did you get any this season? And how does this compare to what you would find or what you have found in your own city? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.